I know there were already 2 samples, but I really need you to hear that. Yeah.
Rabbit's got a quick hand. He'll look around the room, he won't tell you his plan. He's got a rolled cigarette hanging out his mouth. He's a cowboy kid, yeah, found a 6-shooter gun in his dad's closet with a box of fun things. I don't even know what, but he's coming for you, yeah, he's coming for you. Saying all the other kids with the chrome up kicks, you better run, loud run my gun. All the other kids with the chrome up kicks, you better run, faster than my bullet, yeah. Daddy works a long day, coming home late, and he's coming home late, and he's bringing me a surprise. His dinner's in the kitchen and it's packed in ice. I've waited for a long time. Yeah, the slide of my hand is now quick, pull trigger, reason with my cigarette. Then say, oh, hair's on fire, must have lost your wits, yeah. All the other kids with the pumped up kicks, you better run, loud run my gun. All the other kids with the pumped up kicks, you better run, faster than my bullet. All the other kids with the pumped up kicks, you better run, loud run my gun. All the other kids with the pumped up kicks, you better run, faster than my bullet. And run, you better run. Run, you better run. All the other kids with the pumped up kicks, you better run, loud run my gun. All the other kids with the pumped up kicks, you better run, faster than my bullet.
So well, the video was shaky because it's very hard to hold still when your whole body wants to dance. They are excellent. I don't know if these are, if the reason for that is speakers, or Oatlon amp, or some random cosmic synergy. I just connected them because I had to burn in a couple of things at the same time. 2 sets of power cables, 1 set of speaker cables, 1 set of interconnects, amplifier, and the speakers after recapping. And it's wild.